Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. You know, when we released our 6-inch kit for the all-new Tundra, everyone loved it. That is, unless their Tundra had the load leveling, rear height control, air suspension. Because the 6-inch kit isn't compatible with that system, right? Wrong. Introducing Rough Country's 6-inch kit for the Toyota Tundra with load leveling, rear height control, air suspension. All the features you love in the standard 6-inch kit, designed specifically for Tundras with the rear air ride. That means the kit's going to include drop front and rear cross members, lifted knuckles, all the bracketry to drop your differential and sway bars, and out back we've accommodated drops for the control arms, relocation brackets for the track bar, as well as the airbags and all the sensors necessary for the airbag system. The 6-inch kit gives the Tundra a stance that is unmatched and allows us to run a 35-12-50. This one we've got mounted to a bronze Fuel Rebel 6. We chose bronze to match the 1794 emblems, and I think it sets it off perfectly. So if you're looking for a 6-inch lift for your Tundra, whether you have the standard or air ride rear suspension, Rough Country's got you covered. Check us out today at roughcountry.com.